Computer science videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to trim a video in your iMovie project on a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, the application iMovie, a video that you may have recorded. So we can go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, now search for the application iMovie. Click on the project that you are working within, my project, and now we have the video already imported from the previous tutorials, and now we have that video itself added to the project. So now this is the video. If I just use the spacebar to play the video, and now to trim, let's just trim a little section towards the end of the video. Click on the video, right click, split clip, or we can Command Z to revert back to what it was, and then Command B to split the clip after we click on a section we wish to split. Command B, and now that video can be deleted. Backspace, that video is gone. However, if we wish to bring back, we can Command Z a couple of times. Command Z once, twice, the video has been reverted to its original self. Let's now go back to the video, Command B, and we have split the clip. So we can now quit iMovie. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.